close your eyes gently, and before the day has a chance to speak to you, allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. There is nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to prepare for, nothing you need to chase. Simply arriving is enough. Let the edges of the world soften, not by pushing anything away, but by allowing your attention to settle inward, like a calm tide returning to shore. This moment is quieter than the ones that came before it, and there is power in that quiet. Beneath your thoughts, beneath your habits, beneath the identity you carry into the world, there is an awareness that has been waiting patiently for you to notice it again. Feel that awareness waking up. It doesn't announce itself. It doesn't demand attention. It simply becomes clear when you stop rushing past it. You are not your schedule. You are not your history. You are not the unfinished conversations of yesterday. You are the one who is aware of all of that. And right here, in this pause, you are safe to rest inside that knowing. Take one slow breath in through the nose, letting it enter like warmth, like presence, like something intelligent moving through you. Let the breath find its own depth. There is no need to pull it in or hold it tightly. And as you exhale through the mouth, feel the body respond naturally, releasing tension that no longer belongs to this moment. With that release, something inside you begins to settle. The nervous system receives a signal it recognizes deeply. You are not under threat. You do not need to hurry. You are allowed to be here. With the next breath, notice the subtle space that appears after the exhale, that quiet gap where effort disappears. In that space, the mind loosens. The body softens. Awareness becomes clearer, steadier. This is the state where transformation happens without force, where alignment replaces effort, and where becoming feels natural instead of exhausting. Bring your attention gently to the base of your body, where you are supported. Feel the steadiness beneath you, the quiet assurance of being held without needing to ask. Let that sense of grounding travel upward through your legs and hips, dissolving tension stored from trying to stay in control. The body remembers how to trust support when you give it permission. As awareness rises through the center of your body, the abdomen relaxes, the breath deepens on its own, and old tightness begins to unwind. The chest softens. The heart area feels warmer, more spacious, as though something has been gently unlocked. There is no dramatic opening, No sudden release, just a natural expansion that feels safe and familiar. This is what it feels like when you stop guarding against life. Let awareness continue upward through the shoulders, where so much responsibility has been carried quietly. Allow them to drop slightly, as if you are setting something down that you no longer need to lift today. The neck lengthens, the jaw unclenches, the muscles around the eyes soften. The mind does not need to scan for problems. When the body feels supported, clarity emerges on its own. At the top of the head, there is a sense of openness, of spacious awareness, as if your attention is no longer confined to a single point. You feel gathered, aligned, coherent. You are not scattered across past concerns or future demands. You are here, fully. From this state of presence, begin to sense a version of yourself that feels both familiar and newly accessible. This is not a future you have to chase or earn. This is a state of being that already exists within you, waiting for permission to lead. Notice how this version of you moves through life without tension. Their posture is grounded. Their breath is steady. Their presence is calm, but unmistakably confident. Feel what it is like to be this version now. Not imagining, not pretending, but allowing the body to mirror it. Notice how your shoulders rest differently, how your chest feels open without effort, how your face holds softness instead of strain. There is a certainty here that doesn't need to announce itself. It simply knows. This version of you does not wake up trying to fix themselves. They wake up aligned. They move through the day, responding instead of reacting. They trust their timing. They trust their intuition. They trust that clarity arrives when space is created for it. Let that trust settle into your body. I am safe in my own presence. I trust myself to navigate what comes. I do not need to chase what is meant to meet me. As this realization deepens, you may sense a subtle responsiveness around you, like life itself is listening. Not in a dramatic way, but in a resonant one. When your inner state stabilizes, the world adjusts. Emotion becomes a signal, and right now that signal is calm certainty. This is not optimism. It is alignment. Allow that feeling to spread. Feel it in the chest, in the stomach, in the limbs. I move through my life grounded and clear. I attract experiences that match my coherence. I allow opportunities to unfold without forcing them. These are not affirmations you repeat. They are truths you recognize. Rest here for a few moments, letting the body memorize this state. This is not something you will lose when the meditation ends. This is something you are installing as a new baseline. Old patterns soften. Old urgency fades. Something inside you recalibrates. Stay with this awareness as we move forward, carrying it gently, effortlessly, into the next phase. From this grounded clarity, allow yourself to notice the quality of energy moving through you. It is steady, calm, and quietly powerful. There is no rush in it, no need to prove anything. This energy does not push forward. It draws things toward it naturally. Feel how different that is from effort. Effort tightens. Alignment opens. As you remain present, begin to sense how your inner state is communicating without words. Your posture, your breath, your emotional tone are all sending a signal, and that signal is coherence. I am aligned with what supports me. I trust the unfolding of my life. I am available for what is ready to meet me. These realizations settle in gently, like something remembered rather than learned. You may notice a sense of spaciousness around your thoughts now. They still arise, but they no longer pull you with the same force. You are the awareness observing them, not the identity trapped inside them. This distance creates freedom. In this freedom, you are no longer defined by old reactions. You are defined by presence. Allow your attention to expand slightly, as if your awareness is not contained within your body, but includes the space around it. This expansion feels natural, not overwhelming. It feels like belonging, like you are part of something intelligent, responsive, and supportive. You do not need to understand it. You feel it. In this expanded state, the version of you that lives with clarity feels closer than ever, not ahead of you, not separate from you, but integrated. You are becoming them by allowing yourself to be who you already are beneath the noise. There is a quiet confidence here that does not fluctuate with circumstances. It is rooted in self-trust. Let this confidence express itself internally. I trust my decisions. I trust my inner timing. I trust that what aligns with me finds me without struggle. There is relief in these truths. The body responds by relaxing even more deeply. The mind releases its grip on control. There is a stillness here that feels full rather than empty. This is where integration happens. You are not trying to change anything. You are allowing coherence to organize you from the inside out. The nervous system learns that safety exists in presence. The mind learns that clarity does not require pressure. Rest in this stillness. Let it deepen. Feel how natural it is to simply be. You are not waiting for something to happen. Something has already shifted. The effort to become has softened into the allowance to be. As awareness remains open, gently begin to sense the physical body again. Notice the subtle movement of breath, the weight of the body, the contact with the surface beneath you. Nothing about this pulls you out of alignment. It grounds it. You begin to realize that this state is portable. You can carry it into movement, into conversation, into decision making. You do not need to protect it. It protects itself through awareness. You move differently from here. You speak differently. You choose differently. As the day approaches, there is a calm readiness within you. Not anticipation, not tension, readiness. You are not stepping into the world to be shaped by it. You are entering it anchored, aware, and aligned. Life responds to this version of you. Feel gratitude arise naturally, not forced, not exaggerated, but sincere. Gratitude for clarity, gratitude for presence, gratitude for the ability to return to yourself. This gratitude stabilizes the state even more deeply. When you are ready, allow your eyes to open softly. The world looks the same, but you meet it differently. And because you meet it differently, everything begins to respond in kind. You are no longer chasing alignment. You are living from it. Carry this with you. Let it guide your pace, your words, your choices. You are awake. You are grounded. You are aligned. And this is just the beginning.